What in the world is up with space exploration? Did you know that according to the 2006 estimate, only a half of a penny of each tax dollar spent goes to community and regional development, administration of justice, internal affairs, natural resources and the environment, agriculture, general science, space and technology, general government, commerce and housing credit, energy, and an undistributed offsetting receipts. All those things that I just mentioned, all together, a half of a penny of the tax dollars spent on. So, space exploration is even less than a half of a penny. Now I know what you're thinking, what? That can't be true. I mean, when I read this seriously, I was like, no. I think it's like more like maybe, I don't know, 5 cents, something around there. I don't know. I thought it was a lot more. But no, that is the truth according to the 2006 estimate, and by my thinking, I don't think it's changed very much. It might have even decreased. Now the question comes in, do you think space exploration is worth it, even the little amount of money it gets from each tax dollar? Well, I think yes. It's such a good resource that even I think that they should give more money to it, because I mean, I know there's a lot of things that need money to be distributed and all that, but like space exploration, it leads the way to so much. For one, it gains knowledge of the universe. I mean, honestly, every human being is curious about how the universe works. All of you have looked up to the night sky and been like, that's really cool, and just kind of like stared at it in amazement, and you're wondering, how did that all get there? And you know that the Big Bang, or any other thing that you would believe, had made it come here, but then, you know, what's going on up there? What are the specific, how does the specific things happen? And there's just so much to explore, so much we don't know yet. I mean, I want to know that stuff. It's just honestly human curiosity, and I think that's great. That knowledge is amazing. Knowledge is one of the highest things. Knowledge is better than money, in my opinion. And that knowledge can lead to so many new discoveries, even if it's like a little thing or a big thing. It could lead to something, but we don't know yet, but it could. Going along with the curiosity, it's just interesting. I mean, I find it so interesting. Astronomy and the universe and space. I would never want to go up in space though, that would creep me out. But space in general is like so interesting. It's just, it's amazing. And there's even interesting stuff going on right now, and stuff that they're excited to see and discover, and you know, all the probes and stuff that they put up there. It gathers all this information, and some of it is just interesting, some of it we can use, and even the newer kind of things that are going on now, like the dust cloud that is gonna, I don't quite remember, but like there's a dust cloud and something's gonna happen, and they guessed around like 2013, and they get to monitor it, which is really cool. All this just amazing things that we can observe with more technology, and if that technology doesn't have spending, we can't advance it, we can't do anything, we're stuck with the same technology, and we can't go farther on. And I want to go farther on and discover so much more and keep going farther into space and being able to observe so much, even if we don't have humans go up there, just observing it and seeing how it kind of works out. Like, that would still be amazing. Granted that I hope we never put a base on Mars, because just don't drink the water there. So that's my kind of talk about exploration of the space, and tell me what you think down below, because it's an interesting topic and I love it and it's so freaking awesome. So comment down below. So I will see you in the next one in the world, and goodbye!